Now we're going to take a BenQ projector and we're going to get the CEO to actually tear it to little shreds.
You know, so I really find this interesting that companies are reaching that stage that they're so proud of what's the inside of tech and the gadgets and devices they make that they want to show how the tech works. And the really cool thing is going to take us through and really simplify how that amazing magic box called a projector makes that big picture happen in layman's terms. So no tech, no jargon. It's going to take it apart and tell us this is what matters. So I think that's the cool way of looking at it.
So here's what's on the inside of a projector.
And now for a very, very interesting story, a story I always love. Technology today is extremely state-of-the-art, but also very complicated. And it's really important to see when we are buying something, what is the inside of that product? How does it really work? We've done many teardowns on this show. I think we've done a mobile phone, done a Blu-ray player, we've done a television. I think we've done some audio equipment too. But today, we're doing something I never thought I could do a teardown of, and that is a projector. A BenQ W2000, a brand new projector. I'm going to bring the whole projector out here. Then we're going to take you through every single thing that makes a projector that awesome, magical device that it is. So how are you going to do it? I mean, are we going to actually open it all up, or are you just going to open a few screws and point out a few things? How does it work? Are we going to really take it apart?
Yeah, we are going to actually really take it apart. First, we will take out the covers. We'll show how it looks from inside, how the whole system is working. Then we will take all the critical components and we will share briefly the technology behind this and what actually is doing for the consumer.
So like I promised you, we're about to do something very revolutionary, very unique. We're going to bust apart a brand new projector.
Let's talk projectors today. Have you ever been awed by the technology that brings you a great movie experience on a larger-than-life screen? Ever wish to take that experience home with you? Well, we at Gadget Guru did just that. Demystifying technology is what we do best, so we decided to open up a projector and get inside to really clue you in on what's going on. So we popped one out and got ready with the tools needed to open it. A word of caution, we had experts getting their hands dirty for this job, so please avoid doing this at home on your own. First up, we unscrewed the main panel and removed the cover to reveal all the techie goodness that is inside.
So let's start by pointing out the critical components of a home video projector. So here we have the entire lens assembly. These are the glass lenses which make a lot of difference in the projector performance. Here is the lamp assembly. This is the high performance UHP lamp that we use in the home projectors. This is the main board. The major part of the electronics is housed inside that, and this also has a DMD chip below this. Then we have the chamber speakers. These two are the chamber speakers which produce the fantastic sound that you hear from these home video projectors. These are the fans which cool up the entire electronics of the place. Also, they ensure that the ambient noise is bare minimum, so that when you watch the movies, you then don't get to hear any sound from the cooling system of the projector.
Then we really got into it and dived into understanding how we get that larger-than-life, clear, crisp, quality picture on a screen. The rotating color wheel turned out to be extremely important. It plays a major role in creating the final image. The lamp throws light on the color wheel, and then this now colored light passes through the DLP chip, which then hits the lens, which magnifies the image and brings to you that larger-than-life image. Next up, we took a look at the lamp. This was an ultra-high performance lamp that ensures bright picture quality. And even at very low wattage, it manages to give extremely bright light. So really, there never will be a dull moment thanks to this baby. A very important thing that we learned was the importance of a teeny tiny chip called DLP chip. Turns out this tiny guy is responsible for a whole lot. It ensures that there is no color decay, and even after years of usage and wear and tear, colors remain vivid and bright. With so much tech and such little time, we quickly took a look at some other cool features. The BenQ projector also comes with two chamber speakers. And these two babies are the same speakers that are found in television sets. Whoa, mighty impressive. Now that we have decoded the workings of a projector for you, We definitely believe that all the members of the family will be able to take on this bad boy.
So as you can see, we've actually opened it all out. All the parts that matter have been taken out, and this is a totally naked projector. I think the purpose of this was for you to understand what really makes a projector run. What should you be looking for as a buying criteria? When you walk into a shop, when you want a demonstration of a projector, today that you know what is inside a projector, you can ask for certain features, certain technology by name.